Hello viewers, my name is Justus, a special needs and education teacher, and I also teach creative arts in grade 9. Well, I'm here to share with you the grade 9 creative arts and sport project, more so the performing arts section or the music. Hopefully you'll enjoy, so stay with me till the end. Now the title of the script is Early One Morning. What is the origin of the song? Now, Early One Morning is a traditional English folk song believed to have originated in England during the late 18th century. It was passed orally from generation to generation before being written down and published. Now, what are the characteristics of the folk song? One, it is usually passed orally from generation to generation and is usually sung solo or with accompaniment or groups. And also it is popular in school because it's simple melody and storytelling. Now, who is lamenting in the song and why? The person lamenting the song is a young maiden, a girl. She's sad because she has been deceived by the man she loves. The young man has abandoned her. She feels heartbroken and betrayed. Now, the evidence from the song, you can see, oh, don't deceive me. Oh, never leave me. How could you do such a poor maiden? So, now what is the main theme? The main theme is love and betrayal, sorrow and heartbreak. Now let us look at the extracted lyrics from the song. In verse 1, it goes, early one morning, just as the sun was rising, I heard the maiden sing the valley below. Oh, don't deceive me. Oh, never leave me. How could you use such a poor maiden so? In verse 2, gay is the garland and fresh are the roses. I've culled from the garden to bind on your brow. Oh, don't deceive me. Oh, never leave me. How could you use such a poor maiden so? In verse 3, thus sang the maiden, her sorrows bewailing. Thus sang the poor maiden in the valley below. Oh, don't deceive me. Oh, never leave me. How could you use such a poor maiden so? Now, what is the simplified meaning of each verse? In verse 1, the young girl is heard singing sadly because she has been hurt by someone she loves. In verse 2, the girl remembers how she cared for her lover and showed affection. And then in verse 3, the girl continues expressing sorrow because she has been treated unfairly. Now, what's the time signature and key? The time signature is 2/4, meaning there are 2 beats in every bar. A crochet, that's a quarter note, gets 1 beat, 1 strong beat, followed by a weak beat. Now, the key is F major. And we learned C major in grade 7, D major in grade 8, and then in grade 9 we have looked at F major. F major has a flat on B, that is F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and F. Now also, it's important for us to look at the symbols and terms that have been used. At the beginning of the song, there is the term moderato. Moderato means moderate speed, not too fast and not too slow. Then we have mezzo piano, moderately soft, singing. Then we have crescendo, gradually becoming louder, and then there is diminuendo, gradually becoming softer. Also in the piece, there is a slur. Slur means we sing the note smoothly in one breath. Then da capo at the end. Da capo means you return at the beginning and sing it again. That means when you reach at the end of the song, you'll again start it again. Now in our piece, as we have said, it is in F major. That means where there is an F, that's where our do starts. And then in the first bar, you can see where the voice is. The time signature is 2/4. Then we have arrest, 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 arrest. So in that instance, it means it is the piano that will be playing. Then where the song begins, we now have our solfa notations which have interpreted. We have the crochet and then 2 pair of quavers beamed together. We have a do, do, do. Then the second line, do, mi, so, la, fa, re, do, ti, re, so, do, 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 mi, so, la, fa, re, ti, do, re, mi, fa, so, mi, do, re, mi, and then fa. In the last line, we have so, mi, do, mi, so, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, do. So we have been able to interpret the Solfa notations. So let us sing together the song.
Early one morning, just as the sun was rising, I heard a maiden sing in the valley below. Oh, don't deceive me,